Hey there, it's Mindy, and in this video, I'm going to show you a simple desk build using the drill that we recently talked about. And this project is the perfect beginner DIY. For this project, we're using an edge glued panel. That's what this piece of wood is. This is 16 inches wide by 4 feet long. And then I have a set of 4 28-inch hairpin legs. These come with screws, and even though they come with the screws, always double check to make sure it's the right depth. These are fine, I checked, just so that it doesn't go through the other side when you're attaching. For this project, you'll also need a drill bit, and you want that to be just about the diameter of your screw, and a driver bit that will fit tightly in the screw head. I'm also using some painter's tape. I'll show you that in a second. And of course, my drill driver. To prep the wood, I've already sanded it until it's nice and smooth. I went ahead and decided which was going to be the bottom. So I have a piece of tape here for that. And I rounded over these corners just for safety. This is going to be a desk in my daughter's room. And one important thing to note when you're sanding, always use a damp rag to remove all of the fine sanding dust that you'll create. And that will avoid any imperfections when you go to finish it, just depending on whatever you're going to do. But before we go ahead and attach the legs, I like to use this trick that I've found a while back, and that's using tape to just mark the depth that the screw will go in. And that way, when we're pre-drilling wood, it's only you'll see how deep you need to go and just stop there. That avoids going any deeper than you need to. So I'm also going to measure and mark the placement of my legs. I'm going in about 1 inch on each side, and then I'll mark where each hole is for the screws. So now that I've marked all my holes for the screws, I have my drill bit set, I have my speed set to 2 for drilling, and set it to drill. And the reason I'm pre-drilling is because this is a soft wood, which is prone to cracking. So if I just try to drive in the screw, it could crack easily. Pre-drill all my holes. See, it's still cracked a little bit. Something you can do if that happens is, I have this, I'm not sure of the technical name, but it just creates a center point to kind of keep the drill in place. You can use the screw, just kind of push that in. That way the drill's not moving around as it's trying to go in. So now that all my holes are pre-drilled, I've changed to my driver bit, changed my settings to drive, lower speed, and I'm going to attach the legs with the screws. Attach all the screws and do all 4 legs, and I'll show you the finished desk.
This desk was super simple to make and low budget. It's also small, it doesn't take up a lot of space, and the best thing about using wood is it's customizable. You can stain it, paint it, cover it with another material, whatever you want to do. All I'm going to do is put a clear coat on it to protect the wood. As always, thanks for watching.